communication. Under that we are going to study modulation. What is modulation is and what for is required we are going to study. The original low frequency message signal cannot be transmitted to long distances. Hence, the modulation of low frequency signal is done. Modulation is the phenomena of superimposing the low frequency message signal is called the modulating signal on a high frequency wave, carrier wave. The resulting wave is called the modulated wave, which is transmitted. It means here that original signal, that is speech signal or thing, is called our signals. That is a message signal. Then this, if you want to transmit this message signal, they are at being low frequency, it is required big antenna and a lot of power consumption, and it won't be propagating long distance. For that we are going to introduce one high frequency carrier wave. On this high frequency carrier wave, this is like this, you are superimposing this signal, message signal on this. Then this result will be like this. We will see types of modulation. There are three types of modulation. One is amplitude modulation AM, frequency modulation FM, and pulse modulation PM. In this pulse modulation, once more two types are there: pulse amplitude modulation and pulse code modulation. There are two types on this. Then we'll see what is that amplitude modulation. In this type of modulation, the amplitude of a high frequency carrier wave is varied in accordance to the instantaneous amplitude of modulating signal. Modulating signal means this is a message signal. So this is the carrier signal. This carrier signal the amplitude is fixed. But this, on imposing this message signal on this signal strength height of the signal is varied according to this, and this output will be, this is transmitter. It will be transmitted input to transmitter, inside the transmitter, and this is the output of the transmitter. This will be given to the antenna, so that a small antenna can be used for this propagating this signal. So that is the. Then frequency modulation FM. In this type of modulation, the frequency of high frequency carrier wave is varied in accordance with instantaneous frequency of the modulating signal. See, modulating signal always same, but our switch signal or something like. So, but here frequency, this modulating types, according to type, these signals are varied. This is high frequency modulating signal, the carrier signal. This will be varied according to the amplitude of this message signal or input signal. This signal is, the voltage or samples will be taken, and according to the value of this frequency are increased or decreased like this, and this will be given to the antenna. So this is the frequency modulated look like this. Then pulse modulation. In this pulse modulation, in this type of modulation, the continuous waveforms are sampled at regular intervals. Information is transmitted only at sampling times. Here samples will be taken, this height will be measured, and this pulse is produced. The signal is high, pulse will be with more. Signal is less, pulse will be less. So like that one signal. This is called amplitude modulation.